Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to discuss about Dogecoin. Will you have to buy it or not? Why will Dogecoin reach the $1 or not? Why Dogecoin is in hype? I will also discuss more things about Dogecoin. Okay, first of all, let's discuss what is the current value of Dogecoin. Here you can see it is that Dogecoin now reached 0.21 cents. Okay, here you can see last 24 for Dogecoin values goes down. It means dumps 26 percentage, and in last year the Dogecoin gained 3.6 percentage. By year we compare it, the Dogecoin has gained 10,333 percentage. It means Dogecoin is annually growing more and more. In last 30 days, the Dogecoin has grown 289 percentage. In last 14 days, 239. In last 7 days, Dogecoin has gained 16 percentage. Okay, so what is the logic behind the Dogecoin? Okay, let me tell you a fact. Actually, Dogecoin was created as a meme coin. Here you can see this. Doge was really started to the poke fun at the Bitcoin, said Pat White, CEO of Bitware. Its early days, the community of the enthusiasts arranged a publicity stunts to raise the Dogecoin profiles, gathering funds to send Jamaican bowling team into the 14 Olympic, for instance, and a screwdriver. Okay, in early 2019, Dogecoin killed the cult status of Reddit's Wall Street bets message board, the prime institute behind the GameStop affair that where the enthusiast had promised to propel its value to the moon. It was the before all discussion of crypto was banned. Here you can see the recently Dogecoin has reached. We have listed to your concern. We have decided to Dogecoin does need a CEO, someone who can lead into the future while maintaining the Dogecoin what we are. Okay, a lot of people are so selected Elon Musk. Okay, Dogecoin might be the my favorite currency. It's pretty cool. Okay, so the reason behind the pumping of too much like 10,033 percentage, the reason was Elon Musk, because whenever the Elon Musk tweet about Doge and Doge price start pumping again. So recently you can see here Elon Musk tweeted about Dogecoin. Dogecoin might be my favorite cryptocurrency. It's pretty cool. Whenever he tweeted April 2, 2019, it means 1 years ago, 2 years ago. So you can see the Dogecoin price. Dogecoin gained almost 10,333%. It means 2 years ago Elon Musk tweeted, and in recently 1 year Dogecoin grows more. Okay, so recently we have seen that in February Elon Musk also discussed about Dogecoin. Here you can see a tweet. He also sending a picture to the moon and shows the Doge in February 4, 2021. After tweeting them, when tweeting the Elon Musk tweeted about it, and Dogecoin price started again. So will it reach to the $1 or not? Because as you know, Dogecoin is a meme coin. The project nothing's good, looks good. The aim is not too good according to me. So will the Dogecoin reach to the $1 or not? The question is that. Okay, for that I will show you a thing that Dogecoin is gaining price by the hype. As you know, there's a rule in the cryptocurrency: when a coin is in a hype, it will gain more. Here you can see that recently SafeMoon. SafeMoon is also in a hype and gaining more and more and more. So same thing is happening with the Dogecoin. Dogecoin is in a hype by Elon Musk, because I don't know why Elon is supporting Doge, but whenever Elon tweet about the Doge and Doge price increasing day by day, so it means all depends on hype. So according to me, what I think about Dogecoin, I think Dogecoin is in a balloon with filled air of Elon Musk. It means Elon Musk filled the air in that balloon, Dogecoin balloon. Okay, so it's in a balloon. No one's know when it goes up or when it's going to blast. You can see that recently whole market is a crash and they're minus 25 percentage. It so will you have to buy the Doge or not? The question is that. So I will suggest you do. And it means I didn't have purchase about Dogecoin, because I don't believe maybe it will gain more. Maybe it's due to the $1 or not. So you have to. So it is not a financial advice, but I will suggest you invest little amount that you can afford to lose, because when I think there more dump will come in the Dogecoin, because after the pumping correction is important in the in crypto market. So maybe Doge will go more down, maybe 50% or more. So you have to wait for a dump, then you have to buy some dollars. It means 4% of it, how much you can afford to lose. So you have to buy. Maybe in future it will reach to the $1. If Elon Musk continues to creating the hype, the Doge will reach $1 soon. It's all depend on Elon. If he continued the tweet and he started creating more hype in the public, so Doge will go and grow more and more. So here I have to show another thing about the Doge. Where is it? Let me find article. Where is it? Wait a little bit. Where it was? Wait a little bit. Where is it? So wait a bit. Okay, now show me should you invest in a Dogecoin. According to the Benzinga, potential investor need to keep eyes on what's happening. As with the all investment, due to diligence is the key. Investors should consider the demands of the supply of a coin and market capitalization of cases underlying the technology and all of the most their risk capitalization used cases underlying the technology and most of the all the risk appetite before investing in any crypto. In short, it is not worth buying any cryptocurrency because it is a trader at low price according to Benzinga. Okay, so I will suggest you buy that you can afford to lose, and it is not a financial advice. Buy it on your risk and sell it at your own risk. It doesn't mean that I'm not in support of a Dogecoin. So I will just say you buy at your own risk. If you haven't subscribed my channel, just go and click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon, because whenever I upload a video about cryptocurrency or anything else, you will get a notification. And also share your thoughts, your feedbacks about Dogecoin and other cryptocurrency. So and also share your view, will it reach to the $1 or not? So share your thoughts in the comment section. I will see you in another video.